This whole replica is done in 5 days. And all the help was volunteers. 35 volunteers day and night. So we need to appreciate in such a way. Jai Jai Ka, Jai Jai Shri. Because the way the setup is, you will be surprised. Okay?